Alright, today we're going to do a video of a 2001 DAEWOO PUMA 300B. It has a FANUC 21IT control. It's currently wired 220 volts. We are going to start by running the spindle. That's 500 RPM. That's 1,000. That's 1,500. Machine has a 10-inch 3-jaw chuck. Nice and quiet. That's 2,000 RPM. Spindle's nice and quiet. Machine also has a tool setter. The light doesn't light up, but it does function properly. You can see it check on the screen. You can see it changing. Numbers are changing there, so it does function. Now I'm going to index the turret. You have a 12-position turret. Bi-directional. We'll rapid the axes around. That's your X. Z rather, sorry. You have X. Both nice and quiet. And you do have programmable tailstock. I'm going to handle over to it. See, it tows the tailstock along. And you have your tailstock quill. Machine has a chip conveyor coolant system. It can be seen under our power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.